Mexican hot dogs. This is so good. We did two ways. Here is the with the hot dog buns, and of course, this version you can eat with rice or taco wrap. Yep, it's so good. So let's start. Here's the onions. Here's all prepped up, and the bell pepper and tomatoes and the hot dog. Yes, we have four hot dog buns. We'll use four, and then three hot dog slices for the other one. Yes, here's the hot dog buns. We're gonna prep it up. We're gonna butter it and a bit of mayo, so it's gonna be so good when we toast it. Here it is with butter and mayo, so it's gonna be so good. Yeah, you can opt not do it with mayo, but this one is good with mayo. Here's the hot dogs already. Tomatoes are sliced, red peppers too. Let's heat up the pan. All right, so oil it up a bit. Get it all warmed up. We start with medium to high heat, but once it's hot, we go down to medium to low heat because we don't want the tomatoes and onions burning before the hot dog gets cooked. So we're gonna use half of this for now because we're gonna do the second dish later. Half of the red bell peppers too. You can use serrano's bell peppers, but you know this is all we got here, so it's still good. And half of the onions. Yes, all right. There you go. A full recipe will be under the description below, so don't worry about this. Alright, so now we let it simmer. Now we put in the hot dogs. We gotta put it in quick because we don't want the tomatoes cooking first. So we're gonna have four hot dogs here. Yes. Alright, now we cook this all together. This is the reason why we put it in medium to low heat because we don't want the tomatoes and onions cooking up first before the hot dogs are burning up. So we want this to cook all together. So it's medium to low heat. That's gonna simmer really good. Yep, we'll let it sit there for a while. Yes, it's gonna be so good. It's smelling really good right now. So this is something that you guys gotta do. It's so easy and it's a good change for hot dog buns. Now it's covered up so it's gonna cook better or faster so that the heat is enclosed. Yes. Alright. Put the rest of that. We got the extra tomatoes that's already chopped up, so we're gonna put the half of it and the other half on the ones later. Alright. Yes, and the more you let this simmer, the more juices comes out from the tomatoes, so that's gonna be so good. That's gonna be like, you know, that's gonna be sort of like your ketchup, but it has bell peppers, so it's gonna be so good. Let's cover it up again. Yes, we let it simmer for a minute or so, not too long. Now we check it again here. Oh yeah, look at that, tomatoes are cooking up good. Put some crushed black pepper, so it's gonna be awesome. Yes. Now we start to mix this again because the hot dogs are getting cooked on one side, so we can make sure all sides are cooked well. And the tomatoes are really getting good now. So imagine if this was medium to high heat, the tomatoes will burn off quicker than the hot dog. So this is why we do medium to low heat on this one. Yes, but let it sit there some more. It's gonna get good. Oh, it's getting cooked good. Yeah. All right. Now a minute or so, some more. All right, there. Cover it. Now here. Look. Oh, you can see the juices are really good now. Oh yeah. The hot dog looks really good. Oh yeah. We'll let it simmer like this for a bit more. So the hot dogs get more cooked and fried, like almost fried, but not totally. It's gonna be so good like this. Yep. Here it is. Now we have to put it on the plate. I mean, you can dress up the hot dog buns here, but the thing is, we're gonna use the same pan to heat up or to toast up the hot dog buns. So we're gonna move this on the plate here on the side so we can dress it up later with the hot dog buns once the hot dog buns are ready. All right, there you go. It's all this set aside on the plate. Here, we oil this up a bit more. Turn on the heat again for the hot dog buns. Just a little bit, tiny bit of oil so it won't stick because there's some bits of tomatoes. But the hot dog bun has butter and mayo, so it's gonna be good and safe. Let's get this aside. Now comes the hot dog buns. Oh yeah. Now we toast this up. The bread side inside in first. inside down. This one too. So it fits. We can do 2 by 2, so that's pretty good. Oh, sorry about that. Make sure it's all flat on the pan so it'll toast up equally. All right. Yeah. Now this won't take too long. Just like this, a little less than a minute. But let's see how it is. Oh, this one needs more, so we'll turn it back later. The other one we won't flip it yet because we can see it's not yet fully toasted. But now it's worth checking because we can hear it sizzle. Oh yeah, perfect. That's just perfect right there. So now we turn this back here. All right, yeah. So now just a little less than a minute, then it should be good. This is okay. And this one stays here for a bit more. We get this one next up. Inside down first. All right, press it down. Make sure it's pressed good so it gets toasted really nice. Okay, this one is ready. Wait, I'm having a hard time getting it. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's all good. On the last one, inside down first. We press it. You can hear it sizzle. Yep, that's the mayo and butter. It's gonna taste so good. You guys gotta try the mayo when it's toasted on the on the bread. It's really good. But here, let's prepare the hot dog buns. Here, put the hot dog here. Yes, and then the sauteed tomato, onions, and bell pepper. Oh, this is so good. This is why you don't need ketchup. This is actually the ketchup itself, like really good version. Would you look at that? Oh yes, this is excellent. Woo! You guys gotta try this. It's so good. Now I speed it up so it doesn't get too boring. We got 3 more, or the third one, or the fourth one. I think Vicky handed it to me. Yeah, look at that. Now, let me clip the phone. Let me show you. Oh, would you look at that? Mexican hot dogs. This is so good. You guys gotta try this. Instead of ketchup, this is gonna be perfect. Now let's go to the next one. Here, oil up the pan a bit. Get it hot. And then get the rest of the onions. And then the tomatoes and red bell peppers. Yes, and then the chopped tomatoes that we have left over. That's gonna be good. Now we can put the chopped hot dogs. You can chop it however you want, but this is how we slice it good. So it's gonna get cooked evenly. Yes, mix it good. Make sure everything is oiled up so it's gonna get cooked all at the same time. Yes. So there's still Mexican hot dog, but this is our version. Yep. Some crushed black pepper. This is actually really good with garlic rice, or in our case in the Philippines, sinangag. This is like perfect for breakfast, or for some soft tacos. This is awesome. Oh, this one's not separating. Let me try to separate this. There you go. Oh yeah, this is so good. Now we cover it and let it simmer for a bit so it's gonna get cooked good. Here it is. Oh, you can see the sauce there. Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's all cooked now. This was in medium to high heat because it's already chopped good. Yep. Let me unclip the phone and show you guys. Oh, you look at that. This is just perfect with sinangag or garlic rice, or of course soft tacos. This is awesome, right? Yeah, but this hot dog buns is irreplaceable. It's a winner on its own. You can also click here for the other good stuff, but yeah, all this hot dog buns is just perfect. There's nothing like anything that hot dog with the hot dog buns. It's just perfect. You gotta try this, guys. And yes, thanks for watching and subscribe. This way you can check out all the other good stuff here. All right, yeah.